did you say your name was again? I didn't. Well, whereabouts are you living? I need to cover it. That's enough.
With less than 2 kilos. So everyone, I think we're going to make this special effect happen in the exact same way that Dobby did with a click of his fingers. Can we all do that for me? Yeah? Brilliant. So everybody get ready. And in 3, 2, 1. And just like magic, our cave is now floating. Except of course, unfortunately, it isn't moving by magic. It's actually held up by tungsten wires, which are very, very fine, but importantly, very, very strong. And they don't show up very well on camera. Now those wires are attached to a steel frame which runs up and down this angle track, which is powered by a single motor that runs an endless plastic tooth belt. Slow start.
It mostly works.